guys, it has been a while. I know the last time I made a video was probably June, and that's just because I've been working a lot. I mean, I did a lot of fishing this summer, and I have killed it. I've probably caught more 4 and 5 pound largemouth bass than I have any year of my entire life. But today, we're trying something new. Today, I will be kayaking. It's early fall. I think actually first day of fall is today, the 23rd of September. And I've been scouting this spot for about 2, maybe 3 weeks. I've caught bass here, I've caught pickerel here, I've caught perch. But recently, I'll show some videos on the screen, I've caught some rainbow trout, which is really intriguing. So I'm gonna be trying to kayak for early fall trout today, specifically rainbow trout, but we'll see what other kind of trout are in here as we fish. And if we don't get any luck with the trout, then I'll probably transition over to just fishing for pickerel and bass and just see how we do with that. But I'm throwing a little rooster tail today, and then I'm throwing a jerk bait, so hopefully we can get some bigger trout out of here. I don't think I'll keep anything out of here just because I don't know how clean or safe this water is, but I do know they stock a river about a quarter mile down the road with trout, so I'm assuming that's how they get into this reservoir right here. But we're gonna give it our best shot. We're gonna get out there, we're gonna get fishing. Let's see what we can do, guys. So I actually have never been on this spot in my kayak yet. I've only fished from shore here, and I've caught 3 trout. And I've never actually fished for trout in any other way besides from shore, but there was one time, I mean, I'll link the video, we went on the fly fishing trip in the Berkshires, and we were in a like a floating rowboat. But yeah, we're gonna head up here a little bit. We're gonna fish through here. Then I think we're gonna head down to the big side, because I know where this ends down here and it gets really weedy, but we're gonna fish this deep pocket right here because trout like it deep and cold. And that's why fall and winter is a great time to fish for them, because the water gets a little colder and they move up from the depths a little bit. Oh, that was a bite. Oh, he's hitting it. Oh, I watched him, he was on it. Let's see what we can do here. Okay, we're gonna give the jerkbait a few casts. In this deeper pocket. So, I'll show you guys the jerkbait just in case. So this should be able to catch some bigger trout. I believe this is the Rapala 5-inch jerkbait. Got a nice gold flash on there, white belly. Should be giving them a lot of crazy vibrations in about 3 feet of water, but we can probably get it down to like 6 feet deep. And this will catch anything from bass to trout and pickerel. We're getting hit. We've been hit twice now. That's a good sign. Got one. Oh, nice green perch. It is. Whoa, whoa, we got a flopper. Let's get those hooks in the water. Bro, they have really bad spikes on their backs. That's why I'm being so careful. He is flaring at me. That's crazy. Beautiful fish, guys. Oh my God. Wow, look at that. That's amazing. Not what we're after, but I will take it. That's a beautiful perch. Got him. Little baby pickerel. Whoa. Again, guys, Pliers is necessary when fishing with these types of lures. I got 6 exposed hooks. Actually, there's 9 hooks exposed on treble hooks. And you got fish like pickerel. They're just thrashing like crazy. But yeah, little baby pickerel. Little pretty fish. Not what we're after. Whoa. Where are the giants? Let's keep fishing. Got it. Another pickerel. Bigger. Now that's a nicer fish. Caught him. Whoa, lost him. Yep, that's a nice chain pickerel. Very common fish here. Let's get him back in the water. Unfortunately, a lot of these trout lures I'm using, like this jerkbait, also attracts pickerel. So pickerel, like anything that's fast and flashy, and that's pretty much what most trout lures are. They're gonna be vibrating a lot, they're gonna be shaking a lot, they're gonna be flashing a lot. And usually there aren't a lot of pickerel in the same places that trout are, but this is just a pretty diverse ecosystem we have here. So it's definitely gonna be an interesting day of fishing. I hope that we stop catching as many pickerel and hopefully start to catch some trout. Something after the pickerel have really sharp teeth too, so you always have to test your line to make sure it's not gonna snap. Oh my God, it worked, I got one. Just figure eighted him. Another pickerel. Another little chain pickerel. Whoa, all of them are flopping today. Right in the water. I sight fished him though. I saw him jumping over here. I cast it that way, brought the lure back around this way, circled it around the boat, just like you're figure eighting for pike. So figure eighting is basically when you take the tip of your rod and move it in a figure 8 pattern at the side of the boat in order to catch fish like pickerel and pike and muskie. All right, you guys, we kind of drifted down to this weedy little cove where I don't think there's gonna be any trout, definitely bass and pickerel. I've already caught 3 or 4 pickerel, 1 green perch. I just watched a giant fish jump down there where we started. We have to head back down that way to get to where we're trying to go. So I'm gonna head back down that way, cast where I saw that fish jump, and then we're gonna head down to this deeper open pocket where I think the trout should be technically, because it's gonna be faster flowing water, deeper and a lot colder, all things that trout like. So let's give it a go, let's see what we can do. Right as I stopped recording, we got one. Looks like another perch. Nice big perch. Figured I'd get this guy on the nice camera for you guys so you can get a better look at what a perch looks like. So this is a yellow perch or a green perch. People call it different names. It's got those beautiful orange fins. This is one of my favorite fish to catch. It's a very underrated fish, but I just find them so beautiful. Nice one. Let's let this guy go. Make sure he's nice and revived. Oh, he's biting me. He's biting my finger. I'm not even holding him. I mean, we're catching fish, just not the fish that we're after. So I'm gonna keep trying, and if I don't get a trout within the next like 30 minutes, maybe to an hour, I'm probably gonna focus on bass and bigger pickerel, because I wanna catch some big fish for you guys. I don't wanna keep catching these little dinks. But we're having a good day out here. Let's keep going. That feels like a fish. Pickerel. I mean, like, I'm fishing for trout, but I caught one. Oh my God. This is what I'm saying, like, when you're fishing for trout, you're using lures that catch small fish, because trout have small mouth compared to most fish. And I'm gonna keep trying a little bit longer, but like I can only take catching fish this big for so long. Like, he's the size of my hand. Whoa. It is starting to rain. I gotta be careful. Oh, it's really starting to rain. I gotta get out of here. What the hell? All right, guys, it is really starting to rain. I gotta get out of this. This seems a little too dangerous. I saw slight showers today, but it's starting to come down hard. I'm gonna head back to shore for safety, and hopefully it stops. If it does, I'll head back out, but if not, I don't wanna be out in this. I'll see you guys soon. Let's see what we can do. Oh, man. Oh, man. Wow. I can handle a little rain like this, but it just dumped a bucket on me. And it stopped already. The fact that I haven't gotten a bite though isn't very good. Is that a fish? That's a fish. Oh, it's a bass. It's a nice bass. Whoa, 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 whoa. Nice largemouth bass. Right in the top of the mouth. That's what I'm saying. Like, I'd rather be catching fish this big all day. That's a beautiful largemouth bass. Oh my God. Probably like a half pounder. Let's see what else we can pull out of here. But that's one of the prettiest bass I've ever caught. He's got a beautiful stripe on him. Oh, fuck, that's a beaver dam. I shouldn't be back here. We're in dangerous territory. We should leave. You don't mess around with beavers, guys. They will take a chunk out of you. They'll get on your boat. I mean, I'd feel safer doing this if I had someone else with me, but I'm not gonna mess around with a beaver today. Hell no. Oh! Big perch. He smacked it. Getting tired of the perch, guys. It's fun. Not what I'm after, though. Not what I'm after at all. Oh yeah, they're getting chased right there. That's pretty crazy. Oh. Oh no! It was a big bass. Beautiful little bass. I think that's the third or fourth bass of the day. Nice little belly on him. Beautiful fish. Can't complain. I only got a couple more spots to try before I head out of here today, but I'm glad I was able to catch some okay bass. I would like to catch some bigger ones though. pretty upset right now. So, that fish I just caught, I was just really dumb, wasn't paying attention. And if you'll notice, I only have one fishing pole now. Yeah, so my nice pole is in the bottom of the lake now. I think I'm gonna call it quits for today. Yeah, mistakes were made. I'm just looking for bubbles to pop up so I can maybe see where it is. It's so windy though, I'm not seeing anything. I'm seeing fish jumping, that's real nice. Just taunting me. Caught one bass, pole fell in the water, didn't even realize it's gone. I'm gonna look for it a little bit, but you know, we came out here trying to catch some trout today. We ended up catching tons of perch, tons of pickerel, a couple bass. I mean, I don't really think it was worth it. All those small fish were not worth losing one of my best pulls. On that note, like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Hopefully I'll have a new fishing pole. I'm an idiot. I'm really an idiot sometimes. I literally made fun of my friend a couple weeks ago for dropping a pole I let him borrow in the water. And I just did the exact same thing, but right as I was about to leave, I see this big white thing in the water. I'm like, yep, that's my fishing pole. So use my other pole, I got it. We're not out of money, but man, my heart really sunk right there. I was honestly just devastated. I am still gonna call it quits though. I might do a couple casts on my way in, but that's gonna be it for today. I think the fish gods are telling me to stop. So I'll see you guys next time. I'm just excited I got that back. Stay tuned for the next one, guys. We're gonna be doing some more fall fishing in some really cool places this year. So see you guys soon.